Hey everyone, welcome back. Welcome back to the videos. I just got my car fixed. I had a leaking diff, and it turned out that it was just a bad crush washer, so we just went ahead and replaced that. Thank you to my cousin. Big shout outs to that. But I'm pretty excited actually. I was able to take the car out. Haven't driven it in over a year because of the pandemic. So I finally got a chance to take it out. As you can see, I'm just pretty close to my street. I figured I'd just stop and kind of just update you guys with what's happening with the car. Let me just get out and I'll just show you guys how it looks. So if you guys remember, I lowered it a little more. So this kind of like how it looks. I actually got some canards that's what actually these spots are. They're just placements of where I think I want to put the canards. But yeah, she's finally out. I got a temporary insurance put back on it so I could take it to my cousin's shop. And I didn't actually have this car run, so I thought that'd be pretty nice to go for a rip and see if you guys can ride shotgun and get a feel for what it's like to drive with me. All right, well, yeah, let's do that. All right, you guys are gonna have to, I don't know, I guess I'll just place you guys here. Let's try to run. We'll try to do one quick pull. Just wait for traffic. this GT4 is so sick. I need one of those in my life. Anyways, we'll resume when we get back to my place, but I'm gonna cut you guys off here. All right, well, I'm back now. Thanks guys for watching. Really do appreciate the support and the views. I got a bunch of things coming up for this car. One hint was the canards, and I'll make a video on that. But once again, thanks guys, and we'll talk soon. Take care.